Hi, my name is Branko Stipanovic. I'm art antique restorer and artist. I'm busy right now with mosaic, as I actually showed you in my last video on the beginning. Now I'm nearly two-thirds finished, as quite a big job, bigger mosaic, very specific colors. What I collected the tiles for all project, and I'm happily working on that. The green mamba, black mamba is the base of the color for my cave creature, the dragon, mythological creature, what will have actually the African snake's color as just artistic imagination. I will show you now how that look like in this stage and how I'm progressing actually, and just some kind of my work on the mosaic. This is existing. As you see, I told you that we have actually third eye on the dragon. What is this one? In mythology, we have specific stories, different stories, what does not fit always is our imagination. But this is a third eye. And this is the actually the one part of the mosaic. I will show you actually what I did, moving the mosaic in this way. As you see, the green, dark green colors of the green mamba, if anyone had experience actually to see that like myself, quite often, because in area I live that is actually country of the snakes, what is in KwaZulu-Natal mostly. Even I know the rest of the Africa very well. Is a mystic continent, but very friendly from my opinion, enjoying life and people and atmosphere. Well, as you see, this is the body, some coils in this way, showing a strength and powerful muscles of Anaconda, what was another my idea. As I told you, as a black, green, little bit of blue on the body, and it's a quite nice electric colors. Well, moving on, this mosaic, this is the area I work on with background. The dragon itself is a finish. What will be the next video applying actually the filler, the gesso, or however you call that, and this then will be completed. You see all these areas, for example, this one. This is the structure of the cave, the pigments, different colors. The bluish has a little bit of dripping water from the walls of the cave, and I will just follow my basic idea what I painted. As I told you in last video, I like to paint it to see how things really will work. Well, we are going now to apply some glue. Simple as this. Good, we have to cut the angle of this existing tile already. And then the next one. And then the next one. Actually, we are following the line on the top of the board as just about being an artist in different way as a just game, enjoyment to adjust the shapes and to look at how the things are progressing. Right, as just a small piece, what should be fit in. Nice small corner. See, good. All right, then we go on with the other color. As one corner too much, we're chipping that off and looking for another one. All right, we have this corner, what we have to shape the tile. Right, good. We have one gap here to fill that. Invest some energy and this, and things will give you back pleasure watching later. Good job. Right, now that's here, that's there, then another one here. As we have painting already, we should to respect the colors. Basic idea, not to lose actually the way you wanted to do it. Right, good. Next one. People doing mosaic will understand me very well because they are going through this constantly. Okay, good, we go this line here. Okay, a little bit angle. Good. All right. All right. Okay. As you see, as nicely progressing, just put it in line. Is much easier to apply next tile to make your job easier, and why not? You are working with yourself. Okay, this is another color here. Right, as you see, is responding nicely. A little bit of greenish. As you see, is just following the pattern we have already. This one is just a little bit too big. Slightly cut back into place. This is this one. Good. We have some green in the corner. Right. This one following the angle we have. You know, better to cut 2 times than to have later something what will catch your eyes is something you should do better. A little bit here for this angle, good. And then we have this one, filling this gap, you see, and things are progressing. Well, I have to go on probably 2 weeks and I will be finished with this project. Happily expecting another one, what I have already, and this is enjoyment doing mosaic for the people who like mosaic. Thank you very much for following me. I wish you good luck in your projects. Thank you.